Hi, I'm Nadia Mills and I am the founder and owner of Luus Muus Cafe and Family Center here in Egg by Zurich. I have just spent the last 2 hours at a fantastic workshop run by Michelle and Denise from Sol Consulting and Danna Hoffman from Organilicious. The morning was an absolute delight. I took the 2 hours to step out of my everyday and look after myself, and found myself beyond surprised and impressed with the amount of energy, the amount of knowledge, and also the wide range of entrepreneurs who came to join the morning as well. I felt that the leadership team was clear, concise, welcoming, invigorating, and also quite engaging, just beyond the listening, but also just got you really thinking about their subject matters and things. At the end, I had the chance to talk to Denise for a few minutes and was blown away by her ability to listen carefully to the ideas that I'm brewing about furthering the availability of workshop space here at Luus Muus and consolidate my web of ideas into very practical advice and usable steps that I feel will actually lead to further success. So I cannot recommend the courses and the classes better. I think even without expectations, I leave feeling really empowered and inspired. So thank you so much for the wonderful morning.